Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create EBS volume snapshot and restore it using AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in EC2 dashboard. Here we have an instance with the name WebIAS. If I copy its IP address and open up a new tab, here you can see this is showing us Apache test page. Now in the left hand side, scroll down to the Elastic Block Store and click on volumes. Here we want to create a snapshot of WebIAS. Right click on WebIAS and click on create snapshot. In the description, type any meaningful name for this volume. After typing name, click on add tag. In key type name, in value type any meaningful name, then click on create snapshot. As you can see, our snapshot is created successfully. Or this snapshot will show in snapshots. So click on snapshots. Here you can see our test-snapshot created successfully and snapshot status is completed. Now we need to create a volume from this snapshot. Just right click on this snapshot and click create volume from snapshot. Here we just need to choose our availability zone. This is recommended that you choose same zone as you have running instance. So first of all, check the AZ of your instance. For this, click on services, open EC2 in your new tab. As you can see, our WebIAS instance is running in US 2B. Now again come back and in AZ click drop down menu and choose 2B. In tag, create a new tag. In key type name, in value type any meaningful name. After typing name, click on create volume. As you can see, this volume is created successfully. Now again come back to the volumes, click on volume. Here you can see we have a volume with the name of test-snapshot-wall. Now we want to attach this volume to our WebIAS. First of all, we need to stop our instance. Click on instance, right click on WebIAS and click on stop instance. Then click on stop. As you can see, our instance is successfully stopped. Now come back to the volumes, scroll to the right and here you can see volume state for WebIAS volume is in use. So first of all, we need to detach this volume. Right click on WebIAS, click on detach volume and then click on detach. If I again scroll to the right, you can see now this volume is available, not in use. So now we want to attach test-snapshot-wall to our WebIAS server. For this, right click on test snapshot wall and click on attach volume. Here we need to choose our instance. Click on drop down menu. It will automatically fetch the instances. Those are running in this AZ. We have two instances. One is test server and other is WebIAS, which is stop. Just choose WebIAS. Device name is automatically showing here. If you want to verify, click on instances and now click on storage. Here you can see our device name is dev-xvda. I'm just copying this. Now come back to attach volume and replace this. After changing device name, click on attach volume. If I select test-snapshot-wall and scroll to the right, you can see now it is in use. Now come back to EC2 instances, right click on WebIAS and start this instance. It will take a while to start this instance. Till that we have to wait. As you can see, our WebIAS instance is started successfully and status check is checked to passed. Now if I click on WebIAS and copy its public IP address and open up a new tab, here you can see our Apache test page is successfully launching. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.